Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to fix connection issues on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. And first thing we can do is to disable Bluetooth. For that I'm just gonna open settings, go to connections tab, here select Bluetooth and disable it by tapping on the switcher. Now after that you can take your Type-C charging cable, plug it in and leave it charging for about 5-10 minutes. And after that, just unplug it, open the case, find this button on the bottom of your case, and then press and hold it till this indicator starts blinking blue, red, and green. This will mean that they are ready to pair. So let's do it now. I'm gonna press the button and let's wait a couple of seconds. And now it is blinking and we can just go in the settings once more, then in the connections, turn on Bluetooth and find this device in the list of other devices or in the list of paired devices. Here it is. I'm just gonna select it and now it is connected. But if in your case nothing appears, then we can reset connections. For that we just need to use the search bar, type in reset, select it, and here we can select reset network settings. So if the problem still exists, you can try to connect your earbuds to another device, for example another phone or tablet. And if the problem still persists, there may be something wrong with the headphones and it's worth going under warranty. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.